Chillin' in this bitch with Ricky Bennett. And like some tampons, man, I be all in it. All in the guts. Like I don't give a fuck. My nigga said yuck. Ricky smoking the blunt. My other nigga rolling up. I'm coming down in the big truck. Never mind, I'm chillin' in the money. Always got a bad bitch beside me. Getting money like a fucking hobby. And you niggas can't stop me. You say you're working hard, it's looking sloppy. I'm beefing up my chest and now I'm Rocky. Put me in a ring with Floyd, Tyson, and Cassius Clay. None of them men can box me. Cause I'm too fucking well-rounded. A man who won't stand there will fall. I guess I'm well-grounded. And somebody should probably call it quits. Cause once I get started, y'all know what time it is. Condoms, y'all know what kind it is. Trinidad all gold, no time for kids. OVO just be killing shit. Bitches say OVO, why you be a dick? Better that than a swallower. My bitch mad cause I unfollowed her. A bitch would do anything for a couple bucks. A nigga do anything for a couple nuts. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. Nigga, I don't even give a fuck. Hey, shout out to all my niggas, man.